Hi guys, some of you were looking for some more information about how to create a scatter plot in Google Sheets. The first thing you want to do is enter your data into your document, and you want to make sure that row 1 has your vertical and your horizontal axis labels. So for mine, remember the X always goes first, so my horizontal label will be hours and my vertical label will be grade. Once you have your data in here with the labels, you're going to want to select that. And you're going to want to go to Insert and Chart. From there, I want to choose my chart type. So over here on the right-hand side, you're going to access the drop-down. And you're going to scroll down until you find Scatter Plot or Scatter Chart. And it will bring that up for you. The next thing that you want to do is you want to customize it. And we're going to customize, one of the things would be the chart and axis titles. Okay, so I might not want my chart title to be grades versus hours. I may want that to be scatter plot of test grades. You can make it anything you want, okay? However you want to label it is fine. And then you're going to use the drop down here to access the horizontal axis title and the vertical axis title. You could also add a chart subtitle if you would like. Once you are done with that, you're going to want to go to the horizontal axis. We want to look at the range of data we have so we can determine where we want the minimum value to be and where we want the maximum value to be. So my X values go from 2 to 9. So a good place, a good minimum for me might be 0. And I might want to go up to 11 so I can see all that data. After you are done with that, you are going to want to close that and open up the drop down for the vertical axis. Most of my data is above 50. It's between 50 and 100. So I might make my minimum value there be 50. And I could go all the way up to 105. I might make mine like that. Okay, then you're going to want to close that drop down. The other thing that I requested was that you add in a line of best fit. For that, you're going to go to Series. You're going to want to click on Trend Line. From there, you can give it a title, and for this one you're going to want to use the equation so we can see the equation of that trend line. Okay, and it will show it right here for you. So under this customize is where you're going to want to be in order to change your titles, to make sure that we have a good view of your data, to add in your trend line. If you have any questions, let me know.